Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to connect RJ45 supported USB dock to your mobile. Okay, this is my OnePlus 70. I'm connecting Protonix brand M port View 3. Okay, it is support multiple ports and also the RJ45 LAN cable. So we are just connecting this, and in my OnePlus there is no additional settings is needed. You can simply plug in and play. Okay, singly plug in like this. Okay, and after that we have to connect the LAN port here, and before that I will close my Wi-Fi. You can see here there is no internet connections. Open it. It is connecting server, no internet connection, you can see here. Okay, and just cancel it and just connect to your phone, connect to your M port with LAN cable RJ45. Then you can see there is a symbol. You can see here the symbol internet or LAN is connected, and then click here. Boom, it's working. You can see here it's working. So that's guys, in this way you can simply connect your phone with LAN, and it is what is the benefit is that you can simply access minimum ping or latency. So it is very useful for gamers if you are playing battle royale games. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.